our 1992 Saturn Sport Coupe. We would like a convertible. Is it a convertible if you can't convert it back? So we're just gonna cut here, here, and here, and then just take it all off. Try not to break the glass, but it was inevitable. This is not working. Listen to it. Sounds like sleet. Listen. Sounds like sleet on a Christmas morning.
All right, so I'm gonna drill some pilot holes in the roof so I know where to cut with my Sawzall. We're gonna try and leave the A-pillars and some of the roof in place just for structural rigidity. Here we go.
It just looks like a glorified sunroof if we don't cut that bar back. It's not a convertible.
Not a convertible yet.
Woo! Much better.
Yeah, much better. All right, so I've got this light bar that's been sitting around from a couple projects that we haven't finished for a couple years now. And we're gonna install it right here. What do you think? Make sure the fluids are topped off.
Guess who just got back today?